That ain't no way to start.
Excuse me, guys.
What the hell is that? What the? Do y'all both want to throw first? Throw again. What are they doing? What are they doing?
Yeah, you did. I saw it. I caught it.
What'd he do? Miss the whole damn board?
Oh, both of them did. There you go. What you all get? Jesus Christ.
Oh my God, what is going on?
John, don't throw it to the bathroom.
Way short.
He missed 5 in a row.
Huh?
He missed all 4 of them.
A month ago. Dude.
He's got 1 left. No.
3. Tony, where'd you go? Where did Tony go now?
Jiminy Christmas.
All right, y'all can start now. That was not the ring.
What the hell?
And you're on video.